breaks with quiet grace, the sky begins to glow. 1,000 dreams awaken where the gentle rivers flow. The dust beneath our footsteps hold stories of the past, reminding every traveler that hope is built to last. The wind across the valley sings a simple melody, calling every searching heart to walk in harmony. No mountain stands forever, no shadow owns the day. The light beyond the storm will always find its way. Hold your head high, don't surrender now. Tomorrow is a promise, and today begins somehow. There is a light beyond the storm, shining bright and true. Every road that's filled with hope begins with me and you. When kindness leads our footsteps and truth lights every way, the darkest night will always welcome a brighter day. There is a light beyond the storm, calling every soul, healing every broken dream and making spirits whole. Stand together side by side, let love become our guide. For hope is always stronger when we walk in unity. A child looks to the horizon with wonder in their eyes, believing every sunrise brings another chance to rise. The oldest tree still reaches for the ever-open sky, teaching us that faith can grow no matter how years fly. The rivers never question where their winding path will end. They simply keep on flowing like a faithful friend. Every helping hand we give becomes a lasting seed, growing into forests where tomorrow's hearts will feed. There is a light beyond the storm, shining bright and true. Every road that's filled with hope begins with me and you. When kindness leads our footsteps and truth lights every way, the darkest night will always welcome a brighter day. The stars appear together, though each one shines alone, showing that our greatest strength is found when we are one. No voice is ever wasted when it's raised for what is right. A single spark of goodness can overcome the night. Build your dreams with patience, build your words with care. Leave behind compassion everywhere. The rich in soul is measured not by treasures it can keep, but by the love it plants for generations yet to reap. Lift your hands toward the heavens, let your spirit sing. Every act of mercy changes everything. The road is long before us, but fear will never stay. keeps moving forward with every brand new day. When evening paints the mountains in shades of burning gold, remember every heart has a story yet untold. The future waits for dreamers who choose the path of peace, believing every small beginning